I bet you didn't know astronauts can't burp in space. Weird, right? Let's break it down. So why can't you burp in space? It's all about gravity. Here on Earth, gravity helps separate the gas in your stomach from the liquids and solids. But in space, there's no gravity to do that. Without gravity, the gas, liquid, and solids just mix together. So if you try to burp, you might end up with a messy situation. A mix of food and liquid could come up too. Gross, right? That's why astronauts avoid burping in space when they don't want any surprises floating around the spaceship. So next time you burp, thank gravity for keeping it simple. Space is awesome, but it sure has some quirky problems. Got any other space questions? Drop them in the comments, just in a minute, explaining cool stuff, 1 minute at a time.